this apartment building in Madison. Oh my God. This elevator looks so creepy and old. Still going up apparently, but the arrow for down is lit. So not sure about that. Look at this call station. Look at how crusty this is. Someone took a lighter to that button. Anyway, we're here in Madison. Here it is. It's old. Oh! It's a metal black. What's this call station look like? It's not replaced. It's rare Faraday pull station. Does this have a sensor? We're already going. Oh, this is so cool. This is very neat. Creepy as hell though. Here we go. Okay, look at all the dust falling off the fan. Are you shitting me? Is this original? It is. Look at this, look at this. That is so disgusting. Honest, okay, you know what? Look at how dusty that is. That's so gross. Oh my God, there's literally dust falling from the ceiling as the elevator goes up. That's nasty. All right, we're gonna go down to 5. Oh, look. Shit's been stuffed into there. Stop switch was just removed. I think along with the light switch. We are at 5. Very cool. All right, back to 10. Hard stop, or start. Well, both really. Look at the dust. You can literally see the dust falling. That's so disgusting. It's literally never been cleaned. Look at this. That's so cool. That's it.